Welcome back to our cookie channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. I will be making this healthy juice today, kiwi and lime. So stay connected. So just keep peeling. I just want to peel the back out before. I'm just squeezing the juice out from the lemon, because I don't want to grind it. So I'll be putting ice inside, then put the kiwi. Adding water to it now, just almost 1 glass of water. Remember, I'm doing a 4 kiwi. This juice is very healthy. Kiwi help maintain a healthy blood pressure, provide a boost of vitamin C, and you already know what lemons do. Lemon also can reduce cancer risk, and make sure you make research about it before using them. Yeah, you can also ask your doctor for safety, especially if you have a health issue. But kiwi is very healthy, and lime. So on this particular juice, I will be adding honey. I don't want to add sugar, just 1 spoon. Okay, and then mix it together. It will take a little bit time for honey to mix inside the juice. You just keep mixing it together. Yeah, sure. You can still see some little one here. Yeah, that's only you can use sugar to do yours if you don't mind, but I do not need sugar. I need just little bit sweetener. This is the end part of the video. This is what we got from the 4 kiwi and 2 lime and 1 spoon of honey. Stay tuned, and we'll see you soon next week. Stay healthy. Bye.